Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Claude when it keeps repeating itself, restating the same points or going in circles instead of giving you new and useful information. If you've used Claude for long conversations, detailed research, or complex writing tasks, you've probably encountered situations where it starts repeating ideas that have already been covered. Sometimes it rephrases the same point multiple times, summarizes information you've already seen, or keeps circling back to earlier parts of the discussion. While this can be frustrating, the good news is that it can often be fixed with better prompting. The first reason Claude repeats itself is because the prompt isn't specific enough about what should happen next. For example, if you ask, "Tell me more about this topic," Claude may simply expand on points it has already mentioned. Instead, try being more specific. Provide 3 new insights that have not been mentioned previously. This encourages Claude to generate fresh information rather than revisiting old ideas. Another effective technique is to explicitly tell Claude to avoid repetition. For example, do not repeat previous explanations, only provide new information and skip concepts that have already been covered. This simple instruction can significantly improve the quality of longer conversations. If you're working on a large article, report, or research project, ask Claude to track completed sections. For example, we have already covered the introduction and basic concepts. Focus only on advanced topics from this point forward. Providing this context helps Claude understand what information should not be repeated. You can also ask Claude to organize its responses into categories. For example, list 5 unique strategies and ensure each strategy is completely different from the others. Structured requests often reduce repetition because Claude is forced to generate distinct ideas for each category. Another useful method is to limit summaries. Claude sometimes repeats information because it tries to restate previous points before introducing new ones. A prompt like "do not summarize previous content, continue directly from where we left off" can help keep the conversation moving forward. For brainstorming sessions, ask Claude to generate ideas that are deliberately different. For example, provide 10 solutions. Each solution must use a different approach and should not overlap with previous suggestions. This encourages more diverse and creative outputs. If Claude starts repeating itself during a long conversation, don't be afraid to reset the context. Briefly summarize what has already been discussed, and then clearly state what you want next. This often produces much better results than continuing with increasingly vague follow-up questions. Another helpful prompt is, before responding, check whether your main points have already been mentioned. If they have, replace them with new information. This encourages Claude to evaluate its own response for redundancy before generating the answer. One of the best all-purpose prompts is provide new insights only. Avoid repeating earlier explanations, examples, or summaries. Focus on unexplored ideas and add information that has not been discussed previously. Using prompts like these can greatly reduce repetition and help Claude produce more focused, informative, and valuable responses. Instead of hearing the same ideas in different words, you'll get fresh perspectives, deeper insights, and a much more productive conversation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.